Thank you for sustaining me through the session. I'm feeling better right now.
Great.
Thank you.
That's great.
And
Swamiji,
Yes.
Mahadeva's kitchen side.
Yes, go ahead.
During the meditation without you, I began that very angry, and then we had to drop that on your feet, and I did it. But immediately, if I did it, I could not control this aggressive pictures.
Good.
Yeah, but
It's actually good.
no.
The wild pictures and
Yeah,
very
but-
inauspicious looking things, it's good. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Means,
but the point is, what come is, I'm like a stubborn child. I put the aggression on your feet and I beat your feet, and then that's
don't worry. It won't be hurt. I'll pull it out.
Okay.
I will never get hurt. Don't worry. Go ahead.
ஓகே சுவாமிஜி சுவாமிஜி
Mic closer.
சுவாமிஜி நீங்கள் சொல்லும் பொழுது எதிர்மறையான கருத்துக்கள் எண்ணங்கள் மனதில் வருது சாமி எது
அது பரவாயில்ல. அது ஆரம்பத்தில் அப்படிதான் வரும். ஏன்னா உங்க மைண்ட் எதிர்மறையான கருத்துக்கள் வந்தாலும் நீங்க நடக்கின்ற அந்த ரசவாதம், ஞான ரசவாதத்தை உங்கள் மனசால தடுத்து நிறுத்த முடியாது. அதனால ஒரு 2-3 நாள்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த எதிர்மறையான கருத்துக்களால குதிக்கிற மனம் தானா அடங்கி போயிடும். அதனால கவலைப்பட வேண்டாம். உங்களுடைய நேர்மறை எதிர்மறை ரெண்டுமே உங்க ஸ்கின்ல பூசுற பவுடருக்கு சமம் தான். ஆனா நான் உங்களுக்கு பைபாஸ் சர்ஜரி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஸ்கின்ல நீங்க வெள்ளை பவுடர் பூசினாலும் சரி, கருப்பு பவுடர் பூசினாலும் சரி, அதை பத்தி எனக்கு கவலையே இல்லை. புரியுதுங்களா என்ன சொல்றேன்னா? நீங்க இங்க இருந்தீங்கன்னா போதும். ஆபரேஷன் டேபிள்ல இருந்து குதிச்சு ஏஞ்சி ஓடி போயிடக்கூடாது. அவ்வளவுதான் எனக்கு தேவை. வேற எதுவுமே வேண்டியதில்லை. நீங்க என்ன வேணா உட்காந்து என்ன வேணா திங்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருங்க. அதை பத்தி எனக்கு கவலை இல்லை. நான் என்ன பண்ணணுமோ அதை பண்ணிடுவேன். Yes.
Actually, what happens for me is always like I feel like I'm flying towards sun, flying towards deities. Marudamalai Muruga is coming in front of me, things like that. So how do I get grounded, or how to keep the focus on?
All that visions are okay. Don't worry. That visions does not mean you are not grounded on third eye. Even when you are grounded on third eye, you will have visions.
Okay, so
that is what, it's a wrong understanding you are having. Yesterday when I told him, Swadhisthana and Mooladhara only visualization, no verbalization. That does not mean if the chakra is open, it will be all visualization.
Okay,
and Anya does not mean you will not have visualization.
Okay, Swamiji. One more doubt, Swamiji. You are telling like we'll have like the different layers of DNA is coming up, no? So what are the powers of it's just getting off the incompletions at a deeper level, or some power we are
the
getting?
powers will start expressing. Okay. Like your mitochondria cell energy will go up.
Okay.
Your health will become better. Okay. Now the third eye, the intuition, the ability to perceive things much broader.
Even the past birth related also.
Yes, past birth related, the best things you accumulated in the past life will come to memory. Okay. Not the incompletions. Incompletions will be burnt away.
Okay, so thank you, sir.
Swamiji.
Which side?
I don't have any visualization, but I have so many emotions. Like I feel angry.
That is okay. Good.
Then frustrated.
It will all be going.
Swami, right from the morning I'm feeling that some vacuum is put up in my head and some negativity is going on. And
Vacuum cleaner is just taking everything out.
Everything
good
out.
Only.
And right now feeling very good, very relaxed, very light. No single thought is there inside
Good.
in me.
That's wonderful.
Really feeling good. So thank you so much.
Blessings.
Swamiji, how do I know if my chakras are opening up? Like, how do I know if it's working or it's opening?
You will see the experiences start happening, and the more and more energy will start settling into the third eye. Because when each chakra opens, the Kundalini Shakti immediately, which was locked in that chakra, immediately reaches the third eye.
Because when we are meditating, am I supposed to feel something? Because
Nothing
I'm
needs
just
to, you just sit, that's enough. And whatever I am giving as teachings or the ideas, truths, it will start becoming more and more part of you. It will start getting digested. Cognitive shift will start happening. How you cognize you, a problem, or a person, world, life, all that will start getting healed. That itself is a symptom that chakras are opening. Unless the chakras open, experientially healing will not happen. Only when they open, experientially so much of healing happens. You won't forgive people. It's not that you will forgive people. You just know they are irrelevant to your life.
I won't bother.
But that irrelevant.
So that will happen after some time, not right now. Like probably when I get back, that's when I will start feeling.
I can say that when the chakra starts opening, even now you will see it will start withering away.
Okay.
Many things will start withering away. The cognitive shift will start happening.
Swamiji, deity side, Swami.
Deity side. Yes. Go ahead.
Yeah. Initially, I felt like, I'm ready to go out and face the world. But later, some of the emotions came out, Swamiji. So,
See, when you felt you were ready, that was the time Kundalini was in the peak. But still, it is not sealed in the peak, bolted in the peak.
okay.
So it is last 4 days job, getting it bolted. So that is why it has come down.
Okay. Thank you.
Even third eye reading, because you read 1 week before, 4 days before, it is not permanent. Now it will go up and down with these processes. Last 4-5 days I will just break it and seal it on the third eye, then it is permanent.
Okay. Thank you.
Understand?
Okay.
Otherwise when you are, I will work so much and 10 hours of process and raise you and keep you on the third eye. One phone call, 10 minutes to your wife, that's all. She will bring it back and lock and you are back.
For me, just sit.
The next day I have to start. What? No, I am telling you, I am giving an example. Now it may not be wife, it may be father, mother or somebody.
Okay.
And from there they will and you are back. I let again start, come on. Om. So this will happen first few days. The last 4 days just completely it will be sealed on the third eye, then it will never come down.
Thanks.
So I have to raise it so much that I can seal it and bolt it on the third eye.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Swamiji, stay aside. The experience I want to share is...
And I also want to remind you guys, because from your guys are from outside India, even for brushing teeth, don't use the tap water. Better take the water bottle.
We started, Swamiji, yeah. About the experience, I just have a joy. I didn't have
That is
any
enough.
idea.
It is not a joke. How would you say, I just have a joy? Come on.
I enjoy the music and
That's
just
it.
happiness, that's all.
That's
But,
it. That is
thank
not a
you.
joke.
Yeah, thank you, Swamiji.
Swamiji, first, my foot touched during the process. Is that okay?
That is okay.
All right.
Don't kick him again, that's all.
The second thing is, I have a lot of pain on the right side.
I'll
of my
clear
hip.
it.
Okay, thank you.
But in future, make sure you don't touch. Your leg doesn't touch him. Especially during process. The break time's okay. During process, you should not kick him. Even break time, you should not kick him. That's different.
Thank you.
Touching in the side is okay, but not in the front, the other gender. That is okay now. I'll manage.
Stage side.
Yes.
Pranam Swamiji. When our cognition shifts and then healing will start, right? Healing on if you have a...
Tons of incompletions. So many things which you don't even imagine exist in you will be pulled out and cleaned.
Okay, and so anything physical?
Even body, physically it starts changing.
Because about 5 months ago, I injured a rotator cuff.
Even that pains and all will be healed. You will be able to move the body normally.
Thank you. Thank you.
Swamiji, Sarunji Bida side.
Go ahead.
டெத் ப்ராசஸ் வீடியோ பார்த்தேன் நேற்று. அதில் வந்துட்டு திபெத் அங்கே வந்து அந்த டெத் ப்ராசஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தலாலாமா வந்து அடுத்த பிறப்பில் எப்போ பிறப்பாங்க, எப்படி பிறப்பாங்க, யாருன்னு சொல்லிட்டு செக் பண்ணுறதுலாம் அதில் சொல்லும்போது நீங்கள் சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க காஞ்சிபுரத்துலேருந்து தான் ஒருத்தர் போயிட்டு அதை ரெடி பண்ணான்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்கள பற்றி தெரிஞ்சு.
காஞ்சிபுரத்துலேருந்து போதி தர்மர்னு ஒரு பெரிய ஞானி, அவர் வந்து சைவ சம்பிரதாயத்தை சேர்ந்தவர். அங்கே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி வழியில் பீகாரில் புத்திஸ்ட் மொனாஸ்ட்ரி ஒன்றில் தங்கி படிக்கிறாரு. இப்போ புத்திசத்தை பற்றியும் கற்றுக்கிறாரு. அங்கே போய் ரெண்டையும் ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணுறாரு. அந்த காலத்தில் புத்திசம் வந்து தனி மதம் கிடையாது, ஹிந்து மதத்தினுடைய அப்டேட்டட் வெர்ஷன் மாதிரி தான் புத்திசம் இருந்தது. இப்போ நான் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஹிந்து மதத்தோட அப்டேட்டட் வெர்ஷன் தான் நான் இப்போ என்ன சொல்கிறேன்னா எல்லாமே ஹிந்து மதத்தில் தான் இருந்து தான் சொல்கிறேன். அதர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸாக உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறேன். ஒரு காலம் கொஞ்ச நாள் கழிச்சு ஒரு இது இருக்கு, ரிஸ்க் இருக்கு. என்னுடைய பக்தர்கள்லாம் சேர்ந்து நாம வந்து தனி மதம் சொல்லிட முடியும். நான் அதனால தான் என்ன பண்ணேன், அந்த சொல்லக்கூடாதுன்றதால இப்பவே நம்ம ஆர்கனைசேஷன் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ல என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன், நாம வந்து இந்து மதத்துக்கு உட்பட்ட நித்யானந்த சம்பிரதாயம் பண்ணி வச்சுட்டேன். இங்கிருந்து போதி தர்மர் வந்து இங்க பீகார்ல கடுத்துட்டு அங்க போய் ரெண்டையும் டீச் பண்றாரு. ரெண்டையும் டீச் பண்ணாலும் பிற்காலத்துல புத்த மதம் தனியா போகும்போது அந்த புத்த மதம் பிரான்ச்சுக்கு அது உட்பட்ட மாதிரி போயிருச்சு.
போதி தர்மரை கொண்டாடவே இல்லையே, போதி தர்மரை கொண்டாடலையா சாமி? அவர் தானே.
இல்ல அங்க போதி தர்மருக்கு பெரிய பெரிய சிலைகள் இருக்கு, ஆலயங்கள் இருக்கு. இன்னமும் இவங்க வந்து போதி தர்மருடைய அவதாரம் தான் அவங்க நம்புறாங்க. 16வது 17வது அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. நம்ம ஹிந்து மதத்துலயும் அந்த ட்ரெடிஷன் இருந்திருக்கு. ஒரு காலத்துல அந்த சன்னிதானங்களா இருந்தவங்க வந்து அந்த குருவே வந்து அவருடைய சீடரை உட்கார வச்சுட்டு அவரே அடுத்த பிறவி எடுத்து அடுத்த பட்டமா வருவார். இவர் போய் இவர் அடுத்த பிறவி எடுத்து அடுத்த பட்டமா வருவார். அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம பரம்பரையிலையும் அது இருந்திருக்கு. காலப்போக்குனால அழிஞ்சு போச்சு. காலப்போக்கில் பிரிட்டிஷ் எப்படி குருகுலத்தை அழிச்சாங்க, எல்லாத்தையும் அழிச்சப்போ அழிஞ்சு போயிருச்சு.
நன்றி.
Please go ahead.
Swamiji, I want to ask, after the Shifu home, I feel very tired.
That is okay. The initial level, your tiredness and boredom pattern will be broken. That is why it will become all right by today. Today is the first process now.
Thank you, Nityanandam Swamiji. Yesterday morning, I could not even get up from the bed. The pain from under the thigh, right? There's so much swelling on this knee, and both the ankles and feet were all swollen. I couldn't get up, I couldn't lie down, I couldn't do anything.
Sari Panirama. It will become all right.
Today I feel better, and there was a miracle. I think it is a miracle. Wheelchair that's not working properly, and everybody knows, and doesn't have a footrest or anything. Somebody or the other has been kind enough to push me around when I couldn't. Today somebody left me for lunch on the table, and forgot, didn't get busy with something, or didn't. So I was feeling guilty. I was sitting there, so many people wanting to sit at the table. So I tried to push it myself. And it was very difficult even to turn it around. And suddenly it started moving like freewheeling. I didn't know what to do. I didn't have my hand on the thing. And it was like going on a slope. I said, is there a gradient here or something? It went so fast. I thought I'm going to go and hit that wall across or injure somebody or something. It took a turn. It came right inside here. It came right into here. And turned and stopped exactly where I normally stop. I can't explain it. But I'm still wondering whether I'm dreaming or what.
Nothing is accident, understand. As far as there is no accident, if the accident has not happened, means it's a miracle only. Relax.
It is.
And enjoy. That's all.
Thank you so much, Swamiji. So one more thing, Swamiji, in the morning when you had given this darshan, first time, and I thought I was giddy or something. The whole thing went around 360 degrees, whirled round. I said, what am I doing? And then after some time, second time it happened. I said, no, this is not what my imagination. You only are doing something.
It's actually
the whole world.
The oneness is being pushed inside your system. See, who is standing there, who is sitting here, both of them are from the same source. That source is only standing there and sitting here, and it is making the sitting guy realize it is same thing which is standing.
Thank you so much, Swamiji.
Swamiji, Sarvanya Beta side, Swamiji.
Yes, go ahead.
Actually, during for the third day practice, I was trying.
The standing guy knows he's only sitting, but the sitting people does not know he's only standing. They need to be told he's only standing. That is what is Advaita. And that is what was happening.
Swamiji, apart from reading words and all, I was trying to draw some pictures which are so fond of me when I was small, like கோலம் போடுறதுன்னு சொல்றோம்ல. So அந்த தேர்லாம் வந்து கண்ணை மூடிட்டு when I try to draw கரெக்டா வருது சுவாமிஜி. சின்ன சின்ன பார்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம். So அதுவும் பிராக்டிஸ் தானே சுவாமிஜி. அது கொஞ்சம்.
No, it is not practice. It is the third eye is clarity.
கிளாரிட்டியா. அப்புறம் ஒன் மோர் டவுட். இப்போ வந்து இங்கே இருக்கும்போது நல்ல ஒவ்வொரு ஐயவும் இது எனக்கு 5th ஐயே ஆக்சுவலி ஒவ்வொரு ஐயே முடிஞ்சோன்னு அப்படியே உடம்பு ஃபேஸ்லாம் க்ளோ ஆகிட்டு வருது. ஆனால் அங்கே போன பிறகு போயிடுது இல்லையா? ஸோ ஐ வாண்ட் டு ஆஸ்க் சம் ஸ்டெப்ஸ் ஃப்ரம்
See why it is going, after going there you feel the incompletions you take it up. You understand? At least slow it down. Then this will become all right.
எனக்கு யோகா பண்ணுவேன் சுவாமிஜி. அப்புறம் இனிமே பஞ்சக்ரியா.
It is not just yoga or panchakriya. The cognitive shift. When you go back, do not attract the same incompletions.
Okay, Swamiji.
That's all.
முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் I'm actually radiating ஐயா situation தான் சுவாமிஜி.
That's enough.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Swamiji, Mahadeva kitchen side.
Yes.
We saw the karma webinar today. I was a little bit confused between a pattern and a thought current.
See, more number of patterns put together is called thought current. For example, if you are addicted only to smoking, it is called pattern. You are addicted to smoking, addicted to jardabida, addicted to marijuana, addicted to pan barak, addicted to pan barak and addicted to alcohol, addicted to coffee, addicted to tea, then that is thought current of addiction. Clear?
So a single one is a pattern. And
pattern.
All of them.
When it becomes bunch, it becomes thought current. Okay. Pattern is easy to work with. Thought current means only master can break it. Because it's going above your head.